In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install Snapchat app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up App Store. If you cannot find the App Store on your home screens, then just swipe down at any of your home screens just like that. That will bring up the search, and here just start entering App Store. So that's how you can easily find it. And once the App Store is open, first off tap right here to go to search, and then just search for Snapchat here in that simple way. That's how we can easily find Snapchat app. Here we see the open button because the app is already installed on my iPhone, but if you don't have it installed, it will say get, or instead of the button here will be a cloud icon. Just click at get icon at get button here or at the cloud icon to install the app, and when the installation is complete you will be able to open the app by clicking right here at this open button, and also it will put Snapchat app icon on your home screen. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.